Did you know that couples who laugh together are 50% more likely to stay together? It's true. Laughter is more than just fun, it's a powerful tool that can actually strengthen your relationship. In fact, studies show that humor not only reduces stress but also increases your sense of connection with your partner. Think about it, when things get tough, wouldn't it be great to have the ability to crack a joke and turn a stressful situation into a bonding moment? In this video, we're diving deep into how humor can be the key to a happy and lasting relationship. From turning misunderstandings into laughs to creating inside jokes that last forever, we'll show you how to make something funny and use it to build a stronger, happier partnership. Whether you're looking for ways to bring more joy into your daily life or to overcome conflicts with a laugh, you're in the right place. Ready to learn how laughter can transform your relationship? Stick around, there's a lot of fun and love ahead. Chapter 1: The Love of Humor. The heartbeat of every relationship. Humor is often seen as the secret ingredient that keeps a relationship alive. Couples who laugh together stay together. Studies show that couples who share a good laugh experience less stress and are more likely to have a healthy, lasting relationship. Humor builds connection, especially in tough times. It's not just about cracking jokes, it's about creating an atmosphere of joy and playfulness. Think about it, when you're having fun, you're more likely to feel emotionally secure. Laughter brings people closer because it activates the same brain regions that make us feel loved. A study from the University of Kansas found that laughter and physical touch are key to maintaining strong relationships. If you can laugh at each other's quirks and laugh together at life's challenges, you build a solid foundation for happiness. Remember, humor doesn't just make life more enjoyable, it also improves mental health, releasing those feel-good endorphins. Relationships that don't laugh together are more likely to experience tension and frustration. If you want to build a long-lasting, loving partnership, try using humor as your glue. Chapter 2: Laugh Your Way Out of Misunderstandings. Misunderstandings are inevitable in any relationship. But here's the catch: laughter can actually turn those awkward moments into opportunities to grow. Think about the last time you had a small argument. Would it have been more manageable if you and your partner had found something funny in the situation? Humor has a unique way of diffusing conflict. According to Dr. John Gottman, a relationship expert, couples who use humor during conflict are 50% more likely to repair their emotional bond and avoid long-term damage. It's all about timing. Instead of escalating the tension, a well-timed laugh can show that you're not taking things too seriously. In fact, humor can signal emotional intelligence, letting your partner know you're emotionally aware enough to not let a small disagreement become something bigger. Humor doesn't just lighten the mood, it can make you both feel more connected. The next time a misunderstanding arises, try cracking a light joke or making a funny observation about the situation. You'll be surprised at how it turns things around. Chapter 3: Jokes You Didn't Know You Were Making. The power of unintentional humor. Sometimes, the best laughs come from things you didn't even mean to be funny. Those unintentional moments, the ones that weren't planned, are often the ones that bring a relationship closer. These are the moments that end up as inside jokes, bonding partners in a unique way. For example, a funny mistake in a conversation or an accidental slip-up during a shared task can lead to laughter that lasts for years. These unintentional jokes are a part of your unique relationship language. In fact, psychologists say that shared humor increases the feeling of intimacy between partners. When you both laugh at something that no one else would find funny, it's a sign of emotional closeness. Author and relationship expert, Dr. Laura Berman, emphasizes that couples who laugh at each other's imperfections without judgment form stronger emotional bonds. Don't be afraid of those imperfect moments, they often turn into the funniest memories you'll cherish. Laughter is a sign that you're both comfortable enough to be your true selves around each other, quirks and all. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more ways to build a happy, laughter-filled relationship. Chapter 4: Comedy as a Couple's Superpower. There's a special kind of magic when a couple shares a sense of humor. It's not just about being funny, it's about using comedy as a tool to face life together. Humor can help couples navigate life's toughest challenges, from financial stress to personal loss. It's a coping mechanism that brings resilience. Research published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that humor in relationships is linked to better problem-solving skills and improved emotional support. In fact, couples who use humor to face challenges report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. Humor helps you reframe problems, making them feel less intimidating. It's not just about laughing off the problem, but rather about shifting your perspective to one that feels lighter. A shared laugh can turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary one. It's like a superpower that makes difficult times feel more manageable. You and your partner can create a powerful, positive force by using comedy as a coping tool. Whether it's making light of a frustrating situation or using humor to get through tough discussions, laughter can be the best form of therapy. Chapter 5: Making Funny Moments, Creating Inside Jokes That Last. Inside jokes are the secret sauce of a fun, lasting relationship. They're more than just shared laughs, they're shared memories that only you and your partner truly understand. Inside jokes create a sense of exclusivity that brings couples closer. According to relationship therapist Dr. Michelle Golland, inside jokes help couples feel special and unique in their bond. They act as emotional shortcuts that remind you both of positive experiences. These small moments of humor can become important symbols of your relationship. The beauty of inside jokes is that they grow with time. What may start as a silly quip can evolve into a cherished memory that brings you both comfort. It could be something as simple as a funny word or phrase that only makes sense between you two. Over time, these jokes become a language only the two of you speak. It's this shared language that creates a deeper connection. The more you laugh together, the more opportunities there are for creating these lasting moments. The trick is to embrace the funny moments, even if they seem small, and turn them into something uniquely yours. Chapter 6: Laughter is the best relationship glue. Why fun matters. Humor is often the glue that holds relationships together. When life gets serious, laughter helps you navigate the hard times. Fun isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Studies show that couples who make time for fun and laughter experience more positive emotions and are less likely to break up. The American Psychological Association found that shared humor helps buffer couples against the negative effects of stress. In a relationship, it's easy to get caught up in responsibilities, routines, and the weight of everyday life. But carving out time for fun can prevent those stresses from taking a toll on your emotional connection. Fun moments help couples break free from the monotony and remind them why they're in love in the first place. It's about creating memories that make you smile every time you think about them. Dr. Gary Chapman, the author of The 5 Love Languages, emphasizes that couples need to prioritize joy in their relationship to keep the spark alive. Humor strengthens the emotional connection, creating a happy, thriving relationship that can endure the ups and downs of life. It reminds you both that love doesn't have to be serious all the time, sometimes it's about laughing together and enjoying the ride. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content on building stronger and happier relationships. Keep laughing, keep loving.